Imagine having to subject yourself to learning in a hot and crammed environment. Do you think you'd be able to grasp information? Well, in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, TVJ's Kian Morgan shares the thanks of administrators at the Marie Cole Memorial Primary School in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth.
Learning to read is vital as it helps persons to improve their communication and interpretation of every aspect of their daily lives. But how can one focus on improving their reading skills if the surrounding they're learning in is uncomfortable and distracting? Well, that was what students at the Marie Cole Memorial Primary School in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth had to deal with because the school didn't have a reading room. Reading teacher Shauna Sherman says to improvise, students had cram sessions in the staff room.
Teachers come to do photocopies, they have to pass to go to the restroom. So there was a lot of distraction there. Sometimes we even had to have classes outside under the tree, where it's cool because the staff room is small and it's hot.
But hot sessions in the staff room are no more. Thanks to the Kiwanis Club of Santa Cruz, the students now have access to a brand new classroom. Principal Delma Smith welcomes the initiative.
Now it gives the opportunity for her and the students to operate from a central point, more comfortable. Well, as soon as we get all the other amenities in, then it would make a difference.
The students also received new reading material. President of the Kiwanis Club of Santa Cruz, Diana McLaughlin, who spearheaded the initiative, says the volunteer group takes pride in education.
I know reading is important, and I know that when the children lack reading skills, then their academic performance will be lower. And as a member of the community, a past student of this institution, I would like to give back also, because in order for the community to strive and to excel, the reading skills of the student need to be 100%.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.